I'm from USA, practically, and Indian also. The Dr. Healing Hand and Dr. Porwal and his team did a wonderful job. I went to other hospital, but they didn't cure. 4 months, pull on. But here, 6.5 months, I'm cured. I'm diabetic, and I have a 28 surgeries so far. And I appreciate Dr. Porwal that he cured me after 6.5 months. I'm happy, and I can do all activities. I'm 71 years old. His team, Dr. Lina, Dr. Kirti, and his staff, very good, excellent. Hospital is very good. I have a fifth floor room. It was humongous, and patient sit on one place, one room, and other attendant or whatever is other room. And 2 bathroom, 2 TVs, 2 air conditioned, very good. It looks like a 7-star hotel. No antibiotics, just herbal medicine, which cured me. Constant and thermogen, yes. Anospace was very good. I have applied for first for few months, and then I stopped it. They said stop it, but very good. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. It's a I say it's praise to Dr. Porwal. He cured me. Yes. After
it's the end of the week.
Yeah.
And thankful Dr. Hardas who guided you in the
Yes. And he's a very good surgeon. I think I have no words for him to praise him. Yeah.
That's our teamwork.
Yes.
Dr.
Yes, Dr. Lina, Dr.
And
Kirti.
Dr. Yes.
Yes.
Good.